haven't been on here in a minute, but y'all about to come up with me to my very first fashion show where I'm gonna be doing makeup. I need to be getting ready. I'm trying to find my lashes. I don't know where I put them at. Oh my god. We have minutes. We're about to set up real quick. Yeah, oh yeah, it is.
And I'm getting my makeup done by
So yeah, what I did, I just kept it very simple, and we did kind of a red lip, but we didn't like how bright the red was, so we took it and put some foundation on it and blended it out. And we got this little look here. Yay! I just need help with her lashes, so that's all. I did 3 models, as y'all see. Don't mind my lace. My lace is actively coming up as I'm here. Y'all, no, because I feel like we need to go outside. Oh, this brings back so many memories. This brings back so many memories. Oh my God. Get it. "69 inches. As small as you can. Go ahead, nigga. A jumbo trunk. Alright, let me do it.
They gonna look for us. Damn. Get it. Get it. What is it? What it say? 2 feet tall. There ain't no way they lied. Little suitcase. You can fit in a dog crate.
Why ain't nobody else in here? Bench press. It was more stuff in here. It was like this thing that you walk, a beam.
I know. Get him! Get him, nigga! Get him! Whack. Oh, you crazy. Ooh. Beat that. Beat that. Put your hand in again. You gotta go green. Put your hand in. What you scared for? It ain't gonna bite you. Lean back and press as hard as you can. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. I'm supposed to beat that. You did?
Nigga, I was using all my strength.
I do this little bike thing. What is this? A hairline thing.
What's back here? I feel like we're not supposed to be in here.
We gotta get up.
I was ready to damn sure go all the way back there. Because I want to tell y'all how the experience was. Okay, all my models was good.
Don't pick it up.
All right, one of them was like,
Tell y'all. Okay, y'all, so I got my first person. I just guess she one of the people you can't please. Like her was in school stuff, she was sit down to us, oh, what? Damn. Y'all's phone don't want me to be great.
and you gotta talk a little louder.
So she like, well, all your stuff at like everybody else's. Bitch, are you gonna buy it? Are you gonna buy it?
She pissed me off.
Let me do your retwist. Cause whoever did it fucked you up.
Like, what? What's wrong with you?
All the way up. They gonna ask how we going. We're sitting here playing in the gym and the little thing. It's not a trip to the site museum if you don't go in there. It's not. I can't be a vlogger. I'll be quick to put the camera down. You see me?
Yes, I see. I be scared. No, you gotta.
It's a little chilly in there. I don't know.
So they should be walking in a little bit, and that's to be the next thing that y'all see. This gonna be the end of the video, cause I'm gonna end the video with that.
Wonderland celebration. Oh, y'all look good even in the dark. Oh, you better ask somebody, girl. I ain't come to play. What's up? They gave me the mic again. They should have messed up. How y'all doing? Y'all look good.
You look good.
You're supposed to say it back. Thank you. I love my brother. It's a celebration. This show is dedicated to Miss Valerie Toller. Give her a hand. We gonna fight till we can't fight no more. You understand? Cancer is beating us left and right, but we gonna keep fighting till we can't fight no more. That's why it's called a celebration of life. Now I want you to give this young man, Mr. McKinley Walker Jr., a round of applause. This is number 7. Number 7. We don't call it a lucky 7. We just call it, we did our job. Hello. Ask somebody, we did our job. 7 years. You've done a wonderful job, sir, and we hope you continue. Okay? Y'all didn't hear me. Not here to hear me run my mouth. We got some fashions coming up, left and right. We got designers with African, couture, some quirky. I'm a designer and I'm showcasing. Woo! I'm gonna interview myself. I just want y'all to know when I'm done, I'm gonna interview myself. You got me? Come on now. Y'all ready for this show? I didn't come here to talk, we come to see some fashion.
Here we go.
Y'all ready? Let's get it. First, to the runway, Angela's Couture. decided to go with some corduroy. In case you don't know, that's upholstery fabric. I can make a garment out of anything. Keep yourself warm, baby.